complete, and hold your breath. In place of 400 square feet, how much area should they have got free of cost without any payment? 1,150 square feet carpet area. Each member has got. So where the builder was giving 525, they've got 1,150. This is not hearsay. This is a project that has been successfully completed. Not just that, I can give you another example of Mulund in Mitagar in Mulund East, which is not considered to be very prime location. Here too, the people had about 400 square feet. Here too, the builders were not willing to give them more than 500 square feet. Here too, they went in self-redevelopment, and now they have completed 20 stories. 4 more stories have to be built, and they are all getting about 1,000 square feet carpet area each. And at the end of the, the flat money is yet to come, but at the end of it, they are likely to get 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs per family as a corpus, from which their maintenance will be free, and they will get a pension to every member worth 15 to 20,000 rupees. Now, that's the kind of difference. Now, more drastic is Pantnagar in Ghatkopar, where they are living in 200 square feet flats. All the builders put together told them that the laws are such that you can't get more than 440 square feet. Some politician told them, no, the rule is 440, but I'll give you 450. But no builder will ever give you more than that. And they came to me and we discussed the whole thing today. They have submitted the plan and got approval for 860 square feet, from 200 to 860 square feet carpet area without paying a penny. Which all these examples go to show that this is viable for them. So it was all the money which now they are getting would have gone to some builder, and the people would have been cheated. So the redevelopment policy itself induces cheating. And when such cheating is induced, why should a builder give the person his house? He would rather pay him and ask him to get lost. So in South Mumbai, we did a survey of the redevelopment schemes, and amongst the tenants who were supposed to be given the houses, 85% of the tenants are no more there. I can give you an example of Hari Nivas, a building in Nana Chowk. If you go to Nana Chowk, you can see that it had 465 tenants. All tenants were shown as having been rehabilitated, and the tenants building in Hari Nivas, which has been built, has only 74 flats. So how did 465 people get rehabilitated in 74 flats? They never got rehabilitated. They just were given money, and their rights were purchased by the builder, who built a 50-story tower and showed that the old tenants were accommodated in the new building. And because they were tenants, their flats were shown as free, given to them. So neither stamp duty, nor GST, nor government, nor taxes, nor capital gains, nothing government got. And all those 400 tenants who had sold got cash money. So there is no record of that money. So the country in one project itself suffered more than 2,000 crore losses. Similarly, another slum project in Tardev, wherein 4,000 families had to be rehoused or reaccommodated, and against the flats for 4,000 families, 20 lakh square feet were given for sale, and those 20 lakh square feet by the builder's own admission were sold at 75,000 rupees per square feet. The tall towers giving full view of sea from all the side, from Haji Ali side, Breach Candy side, and so on. So at 75,000 rupees per square feet, I'm not counting what he took from car parking and other things. 15,000 crores were collected, and the cost of construction in any case did not go for those 20 lakh square feet beyond, 1,500 crores. So, and land belonged to government. So the government suffered, you and I, the taxpayers, suffered, and some person exploiting the loopholes in the law made thousands of crores of rupees, and the slum dwellers haven't got a house. Most of the houses, when the flats were advertised, they said servants' quarters available. So whoever bought the flats at 10 crores, 20 crores, 30 crores would pay some crore or so, 75 lakhs or a crore for those small houses which were given to the slum dwellers, and that became his staff quarters, servants' quarters, for the sweepers, for ayahs, for drivers to stay, and the slum dwellers never got a house. They took the money and squatted in some other slum. We have even traced the slum dwellers' path from one slum to another when the builder gives them money, and how the next place, again, there is redevelopment and again they shift. So this migration path is also traced. So this has really, redevelopment has become a racket. So instead of going through this racket, the people have a choice of doing it on their own, and that is self-redevelopment. And that as a model is now getting accepted by people, and more people are going in for this self-development scheme. I have more or less summed up the aspects of redevelopment which affect the taxes, the aspect of self-development which benefit the people. Now, if there are any points that I have left out, the organizers may point it out, and then I will complete my presentation, and then we put it open to a question-answer session.
I think so, sir. You have very beautifully summed it up. We have already started receiving the questions in the chat box. So I'll read the questions one by one, and if you may answer them, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the first question is on who will pay the corpus in case of self-redevelopment scheme?
The scheme pays the corpus. The scheme makes the surplus, and that is the corpus. No one pays it. The scheme pays it.
So basically, sir, how will it operate? If basically the funding for doing construction, how would the process?
Funding for doing construction comes from NBFCs, financial organization. All those people who fund the builder will fund the cooperative society, have already funded the societies, and societies are availing of these funding.
Okay. And sir, is there any issue? We were in one of the cases, the NBFCs want the land parcel as a security. Is that a deterrent in availing?
Not at all. Not at all. See, our contention is that if the tenant's component is, say, 1,000 square feet and 2,000 square feet is to be sold, then the tenant's component is not put under any distress or any lien. The sellable portion is mortgaged to the financial organization. And as the sellable portion gets constructed, the lien on the land is automatically deleted.
So, sir, does the bank have a say? How do you achieve practically the divide on For example, for a 500 square feet, should I give them a 1000 square feet, 1200 square feet? And
No,
what?
no. What has bank got to do with that? The
No.
owners of the space will decide that, and they will decide how much area they will get. First, they will work out the entire cost of the project. Then they will work out the FSI that they get. Then they will work out how much FSI is to be sold to cover the cost of the project. Whatever is remaining, they will divide amongst themselves. Where is the problem?
So only, sir, as a layman, we'll have consultants to assist through the process. Generally, all these things are somewhere taken care of by the builder.
No, builder has no knowledge at all. With builder also, these are done by consultants. There are people who guide or misguide the builder. They are the ones who do it in the builder scheme also. You think Niranjan Niranandani knows what is the difference between a two-way slab and a one-way slab? He doesn't know. He has consultants who does all the thing. Builder only checks his bottom line. So it is the consultant who do the work in a builder scheme. It is the consultant who do the work in a self-development scheme. The people who do the work are the same. Same means same qualification. The self-development people may be slightly more honest than the builders thing, because builders project is fudging numbers and cheating the investor. You know, the builder inflates the cost to show the investor, to bleed the investor. Here, whatever are the basic costs, one of the bank people were shocked because they have been giving builder a construction cost of 5,000 rupees. We asked for 3,000 rupees. They say, how can you do within 3,000 rupees? We said, the cost is 3,000. You are giving 5,000 because you are getting bribes from the builder to approve the padded amount. And we completed the building within 3,000 rupees per square feet. So 20 buildings are there. We have all the case studies. And when you honestly work out the cost, and it's simple, you know from the plan how much cement is used, you know how much steel is used, you know how much sand is used, and you know how much labor is used, and add to that 10 to 15% as profit for the contractor, you get the cost. That cost comes to, for a 30-storied building, 2,700 or something, and evening it off, 3,000 becomes a good price. Whereas the banks and those who support the bank, most of the accountants